In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a wallet on Binance. So in order to do that, once you're on your home page, click on the menu icon at the top left. And then if wallet is not available here, just click on more services. And then search for wallet, or you can just scroll down to find it and then click on it. So you're going to be prompted to create a wallet. Just go ahead and click on create wallet. Click on allow. This basically uses your Face ID to log in, or whatever it is that is required for you to log in. After that, you're just going to wait for a few seconds for your wallet to be created. As you can see, our wallet has been created. Binance is just asking us now to add an additional verification method in order to protect our account. So I'm going to choose passkey and click on enable. Click on add passkey. The code is going to be sent to your email in order for you to verify your email. We're just going to grab that code and paste it right here. Then you need to choose where to save your passkey for Binance. I'm going to choose password and click on continue. Then I'll just verify with my Face ID. And now, as you can see, our wallet has been created. So this is my Binance wallet. The balance is $0 since I just created it.